Alright guys, today on the all-wheel drive EG, we're going to be doing an experiment with some dry ice and isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to break this dry ice. I got 10 pounds of it. We're going to break it up into smaller pieces, put some isopropyl alcohol in it, and make kind of a slurry, and then we're going to remove the sound deadening out of the floor. It's only got it in the passenger floorboard and the driver floorboard. The rest of the sound deadening has been removed from the car at some point, but we're going to get the rest of the crap out of the way. So this is the best way to do it. I just ran down to Publix, got this 10 pounds, and just, I think it's alcohol, yeah, it came from Walmart. So kind of hard to find right now due to the virus. We just happen to have some here at the house, so we'll make it work. So the way they've got it packaged, it comes in 2 bags. Well, I bought 2 bags of it. One bag was 6 pounds, the other bag was 4 pounds or something, so it's just over 10 pounds. Now I'm just going to use my little hammer here, this little rubber mallet, and break it up. Alright, they say don't touch this stuff with your bare hands. You can see I got gloves on. Look at that fog. So once you put this stuff in it, it says that it's really going to make it fog up even more. So let's see what it does. Look at that. It's pretty nifty there. I'm just going to use a pry bar. Start it. Pretty cold. Alright. So if you could see, all this right here is a thick sound deadening. Alright. They've kind of cleaned it out around where they put the plate for the roll cage. We're gonna get this crap out of the way. You can see how it's just real thick. So we'll put that slushy on it and let it sit for a minute. Dump it out in there. We'll spread it out. Just busting some of those big clots. You can hear it cracking. We're gonna let it sit there for a minute, and after it finishes cracking, then we'll scoop all this and move to the other side. Alright, so it sounds like it's about to stop popping, so we're gonna take this and scoop it, put it on the other side. Here, popping over there. This stuff's cold. This comes off in big chunks. Look at this. Tender.
too.
Alright, so it came out pretty good. I just left the stuff on there until it kind of stopped popping, and just took my rubber mallet and bumped it a little bit and used a flathead screwdriver to get under it, and it came out really well. I'm really pleased with that. I used some WD-40 and sprayed on here and then just wiped it down with a clean rag. You still see a couple little spots that can probably clean up too, with like maybe a wire wheel or something. But overall, man, it cleaned up really good. You can see most of all of it came out. This is just like where the glue was that held it down, I guess. And then up here, like, it had seam sealer under it, and it really adhered to that seam sealer really well, so I had to really scrape that off. And now we got it finishing up over on that side, and we'll get all that off in a second. Alright guys, well, that's a wrap. That's as good as it's gonna get today. You can see most of that's just the glue. It's just not coming up very well. May try to put some mineral spirits or some lacquer thinner or something like that on there. Maybe to eat some of this old spray paint off that somebody put on there in the past too. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. So, looks much better to me. Anyway guys, I appreciate you tuning in. I know it wasn't very much on this video, but I don't really have a lot to do. Car's going to Fab on Wednesday. This is Saturday. So it's going to Fab on Wednesday to have the exhaust made, as well as the intercooler piping. I just got a notification yesterday that my fuel cell finally shipped, so that should be coming in. I think it was scheduled for Wednesday as well. So should be coming together pretty soon. Hopefully by the end of the month we're going to be getting it over for a tune. I got my base map from my tuner the other day. I haven't had a chance to upload it to the K Pro yet. Maybe I'll get a chance to do that maybe Monday, Tuesday before it goes down to Fab, and at least hear it run. So I really would like to get to the tuner before the end of the month and get it ready to go, get it ready to rock and roll, so whenever all this quarantine crap is lifted, we can go out and hit the track. So anyway guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to keep following the all-wheel drive build. I appreciate it guys. I'm out.